In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Analytics events. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, mastering analytics is key to understanding how visitors interact with your website. Today, let's walk through this process together, making sure you have a clear understanding of each step along the way. To begin, head over to the Google Analytics website where you'll find an array of tools designed to give you insights into your site's performance. Once you are there, look for the Sign into Analytics button. This will likely be located at the top right corner of your screen. Click it to log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which involves a quick setup to ensure your website is properly linked with the service. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics homepage. It's like your control panel, offering an overview of your website's performance metrics at a glance. Now focus on the left-hand pane of your dashboard. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on the option labeled Reports. This section is where most of the analytics magic happens, providing detailed insights into your audience's behavior. Inside the Reports section, you're going to want to look for a submenu item called Engagement. This is where you can dive deeper into how users are interacting with your site. Underneath Engagement, you'll find Pages and Screens. Click on it. It provides an overview of various pages on your site and how users are engaging with them. Now for the critical part, click on Events, which is one of the key sections. Events in Google Analytics are actions or occurrences on your site that you can measure, like downloads, video plays, or button clicks. By exploring the events section, you can analyze specific interactions and evaluate their performance, helping you understand what's working and where there might be room for improvement. Once you're inside the Events tab, explore the different events available. You can see metrics related to each event, such as how many users interacted with them and how frequently they occurred, giving you insights into your users' behaviors. And that's it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to navigate Google Analytics and check event data. This understanding will empower you to make data-driven decisions that can enhance your website's performance. Keep in mind that the nuances and insights from events are just one part of the vast amount of data Google Analytics can provide. So take your time, explore, and continually leverage these insights to optimize. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough useful. Happy analyzing!